Good morning, ma'am. Dito Reto po sa Abante. First question, ma'am. Maraming mga naghahanap sa PILTA kung nasaan na raw po ba kayo. Kasi dito sa Rizal dati, nandito pa kayo. Ngayon, nakabalik na po ba kayo?
Yes, nakabalik na kami last year. So, mula nang na-reinstate kami sa ITF, tinanggap na rin kami ulit ng POC at saka PSC. So, nandiyan na kami ulit sa second floor ng building dito sa may tennis court. Yeah, the tennis.
So, ma'am, yung mga gusto pong maglaro ng tennis, pwede na ba sila ulit tutor, magpa-help ng mga events sa inyo, saka mag-reserve din ng court?
Actually, lahat ng mga reservation use of court, lahat sa PSC. So, if I'm not mistaken, right now, closed yata ulit. Kasi there was a time, inopen na nila sa walk-in. So, I think ngayon, medyo closed yata ulit.
Ma'am, with regards dun po sa grassroots sports development ng PILTA, medyo na-suspend po tayo, di ba? And then, nakakabalik pala ngayon. Right now po ba yung PILTA is naka-communicate na po kayo ulit dun sa buong organization? Dito sa
Dito naman sa lahat ng most clubs, although ngayon nga, we're going to create our database para malaman namin lahat ng clubs, sinong may court, anong klaseng court, ilang court, may ilaw ba. Kasi what actually are the thrust of our board, led by President si Eric Olivares, Congressman of Parañaque, and our SecGen, si Mayor John Ray Tiangco, is to bring big tournaments outside. Kasi if you will notice, there are really a lot of very good players from Visayas and Mindanao. So that's part of one of our grassroots endeavors. And then we also have been sending we've been sending teams since we got reinstated to the ITF. We've sent junior teams to the 14 and under, 12 and under, tapos may Junior Davis Cup, Junior Billie Jean King. This last year, it was the 12 years and under who qualified for the finals of Asia. This year naman,
Wait lang. Yes. Yes. This year. Yeah.
this year, it's the Junior Billie Jean King Cup who went naman to the finals in Kazakhstan. I think they placed 6th or 7th, 5th or 6th. But it was a good experience for them. We also sent them to compete and prepare in Kazakhstan 1 week before the tournament. So our coaches have a plan. We're just fixing the schedule to have quarterly trainings sa Visayas, sa Mindanao, at saka sa Metro Manila and outside Metro Manila, so Greater Luzon. So that the juniors naman can have parang mini intense training camp pag weekend. And then we're trying to see how we can have our weekend training here sa Rizal kasi at least this is already here. So it's a little easier. Kaya lang, syempre, it's unfair to the people who live in other provinces. That's why the coaches want to also go to them. So that's part of our grassroots development.
Yes, ma'am. Mag-join na rin daw pala tayo sa ATF.
ATF.
Yes, ATF.
Actually, hindi. Founding member tayo ng Asian Tennis Federation. It was founded, I think, in 1964. So we've always naman been a member. So yung ITF kasi, yeah, si Colonel Agada was a former president. And actually, I think, sino ba yung founding Filipino head? I think Portuguesa.
Yes.
Yeah. But anyway, yung ITF kasi, since it's so big now, 20 years ago, I think they only had 100 something countries. Now it's more than 250. So they really have regional federations. So the regional federations also helps pool, kasi right now, merong special for the they have tournaments that help push you to the the international. So minsan may pathway to go to Grand Slams.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Let's all welcome Jet Olivares, member of the Philippine Ladies Club team, who just been promoted. The team has been promoted to Group 3. Yes, muna, Jet. Good morning. Congratulations.
Good morning. Sorry I'm late.
Yes.
Thank you for inviting me.
Yes. Alam mo ng feeling, Group 3 tayo, and I think, good record ka, clean record sa mga singles matches mo since last year, Group 5 and Group 4.
Yes, so far, wala pa naman talo. Ako, and I hope to continue this winning record going to Group 3.
Nahiya ka, sige later. Yes, ma'am, you were saying about the project of Philta.
Yes, well, the ATF actually serves to help us. In fact, there's another event happening while the tournament is happening. So the Asian Tennis, just to show their belief in the Philippine Tennis Association, we're going to have the administrators workshop here in September. So the administrators from the other Asian countries will be here, and what happens there is we plan the calendar for the following year, which tournaments and where. So
this is Asia. Dami pa ng bansa pupunta dito sa Pilipinas.
yeah, marami. So that's also in September.
Around how many when you say Asia?
Around 50. Yeah, maraming countries because hanggang mga Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, they're still Asia.
Ma'am, meron na po kayong balak na magtayo ng world-class stadium outside of Metro Manila?
Yes, actually, we're in talks with the BCDA to have, actually, the paperwork is already moving to have a national tennis center in the new Clark City. So far, it's 1 hectare, so I think that's good for 10 courts or 8 courts. But we're hoping to get it a little bigger, and then it's a good place, so may dorm na kasi doon, so if we have a live-in academy, the school, people can, our gifted tennis players, we can put them there.
Last question for me, ma'am, kay Jen. Jen, na may plug dyan sa puso mo, na-represent mo na ba yan sa isang international tournament?
Davis Cup International.
Other than Davis Cup, na nakapaglaro ka na ba sa
SEA Games.
Yes, 2 times na po ako naka-represent ng Philippines sa SEA Games. The last 2 SEA Games in Cambodia and Vietnam.
Part ka doon pero hindi ka napapalo.
Yes, I played in the team event and also in the individual.
Ilang taon ka na pala ngayon? Saka anong course mo na? Kagagraduate mo lang yata, no?
Hindi po, 27 years old na ako. Pero I went to school.
Bumang bata.
I went to the States. I went to college in the States.
Where?
Western Michigan University in Kalamazoo, Michigan.
Anong degree?
Accountancy po.
Thank you.
Tahimik lang kasi si Jet, kaya